Friends, right now, wherever you are sitting, just close your eyes for 5 seconds and listen to the sounds around you that you've been ignoring for the last half hour. Maybe it's the hum of the fan in your room, or the distant noise of a car on the street, or even the sound of your own breathing. Now here's the interesting part. Why was your brain hiding these sounds from you until I mentioned them? Were your ears closed? Not at all. In fact, inside your brain, there is a secret gatekeeper, or you could call it a security guard. Every single second, it decides what enters your world and what stays invisible. Today on Neural Tools, we are going to talk about the filter that is quietly controlling your entire life. Neuroscientists call it the RAS, or Reticular Activating System. Let's understand this with a very simple example. Imagine you are standing in a crowded, noisy train station. People are shouting, trains are whistling, and there is chaos everywhere. But in the middle of all that noise, as soon as someone calls out your name in a low voice, your brain immediately drops everything else and focuses right there. Have you ever wondered how you heard your name in such loud chaos? It's not magic. It's your RAS at work. Our eyes, ears, and nose send more than 2 million bits of information to the brain every single second. If our brain tried to process all of that at once, we would literally go insane. That is why at the back of our brain, there is a small filter that acts like a volume knob. It mutes the irrelevant noise of the world and turns up the volume on only the things that are important to you. You've probably noticed that sometimes when you think about buying a new phone or a specific car, suddenly you start seeing that exact phone or car everywhere, on the street, in people's hands. Did everyone buy that car overnight? No, that car was always there, but your brain was hiding it from you because it was irrelevant. The moment you showed interest, your RAS moved it to the important list. Now, here is the biggest twist. People who feel that they are unlucky or that bad things always happen to them, their brain slowly trains their RAS in that exact way. Their filter begins to search the entire world for problems, mistakes, and complaints to put in front of them. On the other hand, people who focus on solutions find that their RAS brings new paths and opportunities right to their feet. Your brain will show you exactly what you order it to look for. So the question is, how do we change the security guard? There is a very simple and scientific method called night programming. When you go to sleep at night, your brain is at its calmest, but your RAS is still awake and listening. Exactly 5 minutes before you fall asleep, put your phone away and give your brain one clear, direct question. For example, I need a better way to improve my work tomorrow. While you are sleeping, this filter will start sorting through the world's data to find that path. The next day, when you sit down to work, you will suddenly get an idea that was probably right in front of you all along, but your guard just wasn't letting it in before. Friends, this world is not what it looks like. The world is whatever your filter shows you. If you want to change your life, instead of trying to change the things outside, start training this gatekeeper inside of you. I hope what you heard today has given you a new manual for operating your brain. If you found this insight valuable, make sure to share this audio with a friend who always feels stuck. I am your host from Neural Tools. Keep training your brain, and I'll see you in the next one.